Located in the former Labour Party headquarters, Safestay is a 5-minute walk from Elephant Castle train station and shopping centre. Free Wi-Fi is provided in the on-site bar and communal area in addition to a separate computer room. A laundry room, free luggage storage and a library area are also available to guests. Bedrooms have lockers to safely store luggage and most rooms feature private bathroom facilities. Private rooms come with a 40-inch LCD TV and tea, coffee-making facilities. A continental breakfast is served in our bar lounge, as well as toasted sandwiches and snacks. Guests can also relax in the walled garden which features a water feature and additional seating. A games room with pool table is also available to guests. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.